Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Lachelle and I am here to bring you another makeup tutorial. So first things first, shout out to my hair. So the previous video, I actually did a finger coil twist out. The video was done on Facebook Live. And I was posting, I did the video and I was posting statuses like, I really didn't like my hair. But you know what? I am actually really liking it now. It took 5 days, first of all, because I like my hair to have a lot of volume. But it took 5 days for it to actually get to this point. It was really, just really loose. The curls hung and there was not a lot of volume, and I was actually going to wash it, but I am glad that I waited 5 days. Will I do this again? I don't know. Maybe I would. This is a style that I have to prepare a week in advance for. So if I'm going out on Saturday, I would have to do this on like Monday, because I did it Monday on Facebook Live, and I didn't like it until Friday. So I had to like literally loose it out every day, give it a chance to get old and fluffy in order to get this. But I really like the tightness of the curls, the definition. So I'm liking the outcome 5 days later, okay? So if this is your first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I mean, we already started building this beautiful relationship the past few, maybe minute or two. So let's just continue. Why not interrupt, let's not interrupt the thing that we have going on here. All right, guys, so I am going out tonight. I am going to see Acrimony. So I wanted to do, I'm thinking about wearing, I plan to wear denim on denim. So I am going to do a nice blue smoky eye with a nude lip. This is more than likely going to be a voice-over video just because, I don't have a lot of time. I have about an hour to be ready and I want to hit it. All right, so guys, no more talking. Let's get straight into this look. Let's go. So first I'm starting with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I'm going to spray this all over the face. Then I am going in with my Embryolisse moisturizer. We're just adding some moisture to the face right now. Prepping the skin, getting ready for that makeup. Next, I'm using my Youngblood Mineral Primer. I love this primer. It's a silicone-based primer and it gets the skin very soft and it smooths out all of those large pores. I love it. Alright, going in with one of my favorite foundations, the L'Oreal True Match. This is the color C7. I think it's warm brown. I think the alternate name of this foundation is. I am using the base of the beauty, my beauty sponge, and I'm going all over my face and I'm just kind of stippling that into the skin. After that, I will be going in with my Black Opal Pore Perfecting Powder Foundation in the color Truly Topaz. I'm going to be using that to highlight and using the color Caroube to contour. There it is right there. With honey and tangerine. Alright, so taking my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, I'm spraying my trusty Alcone sponge and I am going to blend that highlight and contour into the skin.
Let it go now. Let me get this off your chest. My love is raw, it fills ya. I shower in your ocean. Trace the lines that thrill ya. I learned your soul this weekend. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me, it's alright.
Using my Real Techniques setting brush, I am setting that highlight with my Laura Mercier translucent powder.
Run away, come with me and stay. Just tell me you love me for one night. Run away, come with me and stay.
Starting out with Anastasia Beverly Hills, I am going in with the color Caramel, and then I will be following with MAC's Brown Script. Brown Script is like a staple, like reddish brick color brown that I've been missing for a while. I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Cobalt as a base for the next color that I'm going to be using, which is the ColourPop blue color in Coconut. Oh my god, you guys, I love this blue so much. It is so vibrant, and you will see how it comes out. And then over that Cobalt, I'll be using Deep Truth by MAC. So to blend all the colors together, I am going to be using Amber and Blazing from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and we are going to just make sure all of those colors mesh together and blend together beautifully. I don't know, I think you guys are pretty familiar with my face routine. You know, I only use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color dark to powder my face, and then I'm going to go in and bronze with, of course, Fashion Fair Cola, as well as the color Stable. I'm adding that one in here. I contoured my cheeks with the color Fever by MAC using Gold Deposit and Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife as my highlights, and then of course my trusty Inglot blushes. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you guys know I use like the same staple products all the time.
Got your excuses to pursue. What's it gonna be when I'm alone in this world? Who will call me when I'm on my own and it hurts? Who will love me when I've been thrown at my worst? Who will love me when things can't be reversed? What's it gonna be when I'm alone in this world? Who will call me when I'm on my own? Who will call me? Who will love me when I've been thrown at my worst? Who will love me when things can't be
Alright, so to finish off this look with the lips, I'm using the NYX pencil in the color Nutmeg, and I am using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick or liquid lipstick in the color Driver. Alright guys, here is the finished look. I put on my Vegas nail lashes. I am loving this Maybelline this Superstay Matte Ink lip glosses or liquid lipsticks. They are amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna go do something to my hair and hurry up and put on my clothes because my best friend is waiting. So if you would like to see pictures of how the whole look came together, check out my Instagram and you will see more pictures there. Alright guys, until next time, stay beautiful. I'll see you guys later. Off to the movies. Bye.